Screen sharing meeting controls window. Folder view list. PyCharm community agree. NVDA forum. PyCharm community edition. Participants can now see your screen alert. Screen sharing meeting. Row 1 column. Screen sharing meeting column 2. Screen sharing meeting column 1. Screen sharing meeting controls row 1 column 1.
It is taking time to fix.
AC disconnected 88%. And 4 hours and 17 minutes remaining.
Yes. Take a new file, Ashok.
Volume level 28. Python project audio settings drop down button. Press Alt to show live meeting controls alert. Audio settings drop down button. You have started screen share comma. Press F6 to switch between open Zoom windows alert. Start video left parent. Alt plus V right parent button.
Start video, Alt plus V. Exiting narrator.
Python project dash PyCharm. Call.py tab control editor for call. Print left parent quote command line argument.
New
File name
file,
is selected
sir.
Alt plus F.
Yes. New file you need to take.
Python project dash PyCharm. Python project dash PyCharm. Screen sharing meeting. Python project dash PyCharm. Call.py tab control editor for call.py edit print left parent quote. Print left parent quote command line arguments 1 by 1 colon quote right parent input L-bound 1. Left alt. NVDA plus 1 input. Print left parent quote command line arguments 1 by 1 colon quote right. File menu selected. Menu item of it.
That files better close, Ashok. Many files are open, right? Okay, that is for later also it will help for you, right? You are in the call.py file.
Project structure preview.
Sir?
You are in call.py file.
Yes, sir.
Open in that your cursor is going on. Now what you have to do is we need to create in that practice folder one more file is like a for demo.py. For loop demo.py. Yes. In that practice folder, you need to create one new file.
Project structure preview. Practice selected. New menu.
New file. New file. New file. Yes. Above Python file. Yes. Little bit slow, I hope. Yes. Now loading. Python file you need to take. File name you have to give for loop demo. for loop demo dot py. Ashok, your screen is means minimized. Your PyCharm ID is closed. I hope so. Ashok,
Hello, sir.
your PyCharm ID is closed.
Start video left parent. Alt. Screen share. Start video.
Yes, sir. It
Screen
is
share.
closed.
Start video left parent. Folder view list. PyCharm Community Edition 2020. NVDA PyCharm Community. Screen share. Start video left parent. Alt plus V right parent button. Start video left parent. Screen sharing meeting. Start video left parent. Folder view list. PyCharm Community Edition 2022.3. NVDA 4 PyCharm Community Edition 2022.3.25. NVDA 4 PyCharm Community Edition 2022. Start window P. Y. C. Start list. Toggle start map. User account for ship places list. Documents 1 of. Toggle start map. Start button. Folder view list. PyCharm Community. NVDA 4 PyCharm Community Edition 2000. Start video left parent. Python project and dash data types dot pyro 1 column 2. Call.py tab control editor for call.py edit blank. For inart colon. For inart colon. Print left parent. Print left parent. Start video left parent. Alt plus. Python project dash PyCharm. Call.py tab. Screen start video left parent. Python project dash PyCharm. Call.py tab. Print left parent. I right parent. Project tool window panel. Project structure tree preview. Level 2 Python projects. Level 3 if shop selected. Collapse 1 of practice. Selected expanded tool for level 3. Project structure tree preview. Practice selected expanded tool for level 3. New menu Alt plus N. File. Edit blank.
Hello, sir.
For loop demo dot py.
FORLOOPDEMO. For loop demo dot. P. Y.
Enter. Yes.
Python project dash PyCharm. Project tool window panel for loop demo dot py tab control. Blank.
Right. Now we need to try to understand this for loop. This is a first iterative statements for loop. So what is the syntax for the for loop? For X in sequence colon body. That is the syntax, right? Now we are trying
Yes,
to program is to print characters present in the given string. So write a program to print characters present in the given string. We need to take one string variable, declare one
Yes, sir.
string variable,
Blank.
like take s is equal to
S. S space equals
most
space.
double
Quote.
quotes
M. T.
st
Most
most fine. Next
S equals quote most quote.
for loop. Now we are using for loop for
Blank. Blank. S equals
For-
quote mo- blank. F O
for
R. List for
space
number one.
x
Python project dash PyCharm. X. List X1.
Space.
Space 1 of 3.
in
Python project dash PyCharm
space.
for loop demo.
That sequence is s you need to give. It is a collection like a
Left parent. Line iterable right parent. Space Python project dash PyCharm for loop demo dot py
sequence
tab control.
can be a string or any collection.
Any list also we can use.
Yes, any collection.
Yes.
So here after S put colon.
colon,
Yes, enter. Now within the body, you need to print that. Print off what we need to print here.
this print left parent, help,
X, sir.
Yes. Print off
T,
X.
Red Python project dash PyCharm for loop demo dot. Right parent,
X.
line P, right parent X, right parent,
Yes.
line P,
Now Control S, save that
space,
and run this program. Yes, for loop demo, run it. Yes.
loop demo tool window panel, rerun it, control
Now
tab
in the
control, control tab
output,
control, process finish, blank, E,
we
S,
we
O,
need to
F,
observe
equals
that
backslash user backslash shift M,
it will be
O, S,
reading
E,
characters one by one,
Yes, sir.
and first M, then O, then S, then T to print characters present in the given string. Now it will be printed all the characters.
Yes, sir. All the correct.
Right. Next, another program to print characters present in the string index wise. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
S, for loop demo
So,
dot tab
In the
control,
index
index
they have
wise, we can create another program, or we can write here itself. Okay, here itself we can declare like take some S1 is equal to
blank,
S1 is equal to
left
no
parent,
no
X left
after that come out from that indentation. Next S1 is equal to input
line feed,
next
left
line
parent,
Ashok.
blank,
Come
blank.
out from that in yes exactly. There you need to start. S1 is equal to
S, list S1, 1, Python
input
project, E, space, I, list hit dash built-ins 1 of 2, T, U, T,
input
put Python
of
project dash PyCharm for
enter some
Oh.
string.
T, E, R, enter space, M, some space, S,
Some
T,
SOME, some string,
string space,
not
string,
SUM,
U, M,
SOME,
space,
some string.
M, U, O, space, string, some, O, M, R, space, R, E, space, string, quote right parent, quote, space,
Then
G,
initialize I value,
question,
I is equal to
O,
0 in
right
the
parent,
next line.
line P, S1 equals input blank, I, list in 1 of 30, space Python project dash PyCharm,
I is
space,
equal to 0.
0, 0,
Yes,
I
next
equals
line.
0,
Now
blank,
start for loop.
F, list for 1 of 2, Python
For
project dash PyCharm
X
for loop
in
demo,
S1,
X, list X, space Python, N, list, space Python,
in
S,
S1,
list S1, Python project dash PyCharm
colon,
for loop demo dot
colon,
colon,
yes, print of
T, R, T, and Python project dash PyCharm for loop,
within the double quotes,
quote,
the character present at.
E,
We are trying to print the index of that character.
A, C,
The character
O, R,
present
correct,
at.
E, R, E, S, E, N, T, present, T, at, space,
At after double quotes, comma,
right parent, quote, right parent, comma, space,
index I,
list I 1 of 10,
comma,
Python
comma,
project dash PyCharm for loop demo dot
within
py dash
double
control,
quotes,
space,
within
quote,
double quotes, within double quotes, you need to write index is,
I, N, E, X, index, space,
index
space,
is, colon,
space, colon,
after again after double quotes, comma,
quote,
X,
right parent, comma,
X.
X, list X1 of 1,
Yes, yes,
Python
that's
project
it.
dash PyCharm
Now
parent,
you need to
line
increment this I value after the print statement. I is equal to I plus 1. I is
list
equal to
42,
I
Python
plus
equal,
1.
space, I, list plus Python project dash PyCharm 1,
Yes, now save it
1,
and run it.
space. For loop demo tool window panel, control tab, O, M, O, S, T. Enter some string question. Renew A, S, A, O, K. Enter some string question, a shock. Process finish with exit.
Now,
Process
the output you observe that the character present at 0th index. So,
Yes, sir.
Ashok is given Ashok, right? A is the 0th index. Just scroll up, Ashok.
The character.
A is the 0th index. One is the one index is S, 2 index is H, and 3 index is O, 4 index is K, like that. Ashok.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting my point? I hope
Yes, sir.
you got how we need to give the using index also, how we need to print that characters. I hope everybody got clarity now.
If you don't give I is equal to I plus 1, we don't get all right, sir.
It will only 0th index will be printed.
Yes, sir.
Only 0 index only will print, right?
Yes, sir.
That is the thing. And next one, Ashok. Next, enter, because it is follows pure indentation, right? Next, enter. There itself. Next is to display, means to print most 10 times. To print most string 10 times. Can you write? So we need to use range function. Range function, like a collection is a range here. For X in range of 10. Print double quotes most. That's it. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
To print most 10 times. To print most.
List from 1 of 2. Oh. Python project.
To print most 10 times.
X list X Python I list Python project. List rate. Python project dash right parent 0. Right parent line feed. Parent. Right parent colon. T. Python project dash PyCharm for loop demo dot Python quote. M O S T. Right parent quote. Right parent. Blank. Print left parent blank. Line feed. Right parent. Right parent. Blank. For X in range left parent print left parent quote space. T. Space. Blank.
Yes, you can run it. Save and run it.
Blank. Print left parent quote. Process take for loop demo take is running dialog. Process take for loop demo take is running. Take for loop demo take is not allowed to run in parallel. Would you like to stop the running one question? Do not show this dialog in the future. Checkbox not checked. Stop and rerun button. Space.
Enter some string. Actually, what happened? Previous program is also running now. Ashok.
Sir.
Can you run once again for this program? Enter some string in the command prompt. What happened? Previous program is also running, right? So that we need to enter. It is asking for enter some string in the console. You need to give the input. Then only it will print. because we are running same file, right? All the instructions, all the 3 programs in the same file we are writing, right? Ashok,
Hello, sir.
in the console, it will be asking for the enter some string. You need to enter some string value. Then only you will get the output for the remaining instructions will be executed.
Now again I have to run, sir.
No, already it will be run. Can you rerun again?
Print left parent. Blank.
Rerun the program.
Process tick for loop demo tick is running dialog.
Stop
Process
and
tick for loop demo tick is running. Tick for loop demo tick is-
rerun. Stop and rerun.
Cancel button. Button. Edit read only text. Edit read only text / HTML tick for loop. Do not show this dialog in the future. Checkbox not checked. Stop and rerun button. Space. Python project dash PyCharm for loop demo dot py tab control for loop demo dot py tab selected C : /users / shiva / Fisher projects back blank blank print left parent quote most quote right parent blank. For loop demo tool window panel rerun console tab control
Enter string. No.
Enter some string
Enter string here. Enter some string.
N-E-I-A. Enter some string question India.
Yes. Now you
Process
observe
finish,
that
code,
that
process finish,
string
blank.
also we are printing the character present at each index and that value we are printing. Then followed by another for loop we are using, right? Most 10 times will be printed.
Most.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is a range function usage. I hope you got the clarity for the range
We can
usage.
perform any type of number related functions through range, right, sir?
Yes. Okay, now we will write one more example. Can you take new file, the Ashok, instead you are getting
Okay, sir.
confused. Can you take for loop demo 2 like
multiple values level 4 for loop demo dot py
for
selected
loop
4
demo
level
2 dot
bracket
py.
selected expanded 2 of 4. Event library practice selected collapse. Project structure tree preview practice select new menu alt plus N. File. Edit blank.
What file do I need to take?
For loop demo 2 dot py.
F-O-R-L-O-O-P-E-E-M-O. For loop demo dot 2 dot P Y. Python project dash PyCharm project tool window panel for loop demo 2 dot py tab control blank.
Here what we will write is to display odd numbers from 0 to 20. Ashok.
Okay,
sir.
join the meeting
I
alert.
can write, sir.
Right.
Blank.
You please write that.
F.
For
R. Lit. Space Python project dash PyCharm for X list X1
X
space
in
Python I Python project dash R list range E Python project dash PyCharm for loop demo 2 dot py.
range 0 to 20 means
No.
21 you have to give. If you need including 20
No.
also, you need to give the
Two.
index.
One.
Yes, 21. Yes. Odd numbers. So what is the logic for the odd numbers?
What? Without logic also we can write, right, sir? Yeah.
No. With the logic only you need to write. If
Okay, sir.
because
Right
there
there.
is an intention for loop
there.
as well as a conditional statement we are using in this program.
Okay, that I will write, sir.
I F list X101 space Python project dash PyCharm X list X101. Python project dash PyCharm for loop demo 2 dot py tab control for loop demo 2 dot py tab selected C : %. 2 bang equals 0 blank 0 blank 0 0 0 colon P list print left parent value RINT Python project dash PyCharm
Print X. Yes.
X list X101 Python project right parent blank.
Now you need to save and run this
Save.
program.
For loop demo 2 tool window. Console tab control. Console process finished with it. Blank. 19. 17.
What happened?
15. 14.
Even you given
See both users back
21, we are not getting means that only.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you put that within the parenthesis, Ashok, once in the if condition, the expression, whole expression, can you add with brackets like left parenthesis and right parenthesis?
Loop demo.
Okay,
And
sir.
save and run it
Left
once.
parent. X right. If X%. For X in range left parent. If X% 2 bang. If.
If
F. Space.
yes,
X.
there left parenthesis and
Left parent.
after
Percent.
the
X.
zero,
Percent 2 bang.
right parenthesis.
0. Colon.
Yes.
Right
And
parent.
save and run it. Can you run once, Ashok?
Python project dash PyCharm for loop demo 2 tool window panel. Rerun tick for loop demo 2. Console tab and process finished. Blank. 19.
Yes.
17. 15.
Okay. Right. Now, Ashok.
Sir.
Now, one more collection will take as input now. Another program.
One more class, sir.
For loop demo 3.5.
Project tool window panel. Print left multiple value dot py selected 6 of 6 left
For
level 3
loop
practice selected.
demo 3.5.
Practice selected left. Project struct new menu alt plus F file. Edit blank. F-O-R-L-O-O-P. E-E-M-O. 3. For loop demo 3 dot. P-Y.
Yes.
Python project dash PyCharm.
Here, what is what we need to write is to print a sum of numbers present inside a list. We are taking a collection this time.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that can you take list list is equal to
Blank. Blank. L. List T. T Python project space. T. T.
list is equal to input
List Python
of
project dash space. Left bracket.
no. Read from the input. List
Space.
values
Equal.
you need to
Equal.
read it.
Space.
Input of
I.
enter a
And list
list.
dash filter 1 of 2. P. U. T. For Python project dash.
Input.
Double quotes, enter list.
Quote. E-N-T-E-R. Enter space. L-I-S-T.
Colon.
List colon.
Right. Next line.
Right parent.
Now
Quote.
declare
Blank.
sum is equal to 0.
List equals input. List blank. Blank.
Sir, sum.
Blank. 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 List equals
Sum
input. Blank.
sum sum is equal to 0. Variable sum is equal to 0. Declare one variable sum is equal to 0.
Space.
0.
0. 0.
Yes. Next line. For x in list.
F. O. List R. R. Python project dash PyCharm. For loop demo 3 dot X. List X1.
For x in
Project dash I. N. List I. L. And list T. Python project dash
list
PyCharm.
colon.
Colon.
Yes.
Colon. T. Colon. Blank.
Enter. Sum is equal to sum plus x.
S. List. Python project dash Py equals. S. F. List 5 plus. X. List X1. Python project dash PyCharm.
Next enter. Print.
P. R. N.
No. Next line. Next line.
T. N. I. R. P. X.
Sum is equal to sum plus x you need to write.
Plus. X. List X1 to 1. Python project dash PyCharm for sum equals sum plus X. Plus X. Plus X. Plus X. Blank.
Enter.
Sum equals sum blank.
Print of
P. List print left R. I. N. T.
Ashok indentation. This print should be
Outside.
just
this.
yes.
Okay, sir.
Line import print left parent values comma set comma and Python project
Backspace.
blank.
Backspace.
P. Space.
Yes. There you need to print.
Sum equals sum equals sum equals blank.
Print.
Line feed. P. List print left R.
No,
N.
no,
T.
not
Print
backside
project
means
dash
it will start indentation. Like for
N. I. R. P. Line
back
feed.
backspace.
Line feed.
Delete that backspace.
Line feed.
Right. Within that print, you need to write now.
E.
Print
R.
the
I.
sum.
N. T. Left parent. Right parent. Left
Print
parent.
the sum is equal to
Left parent. Quote.
double quotes.
T. A. E.
The
Space.
sum
S. U.
is
N.
equal to
Sum. Space equals. Space. Right parent. Quote. Right parent. Comma.
Sum, sir.
yes.
List. M. Sub hyphen project. Blank. Right parent. M.
Now save and run it.
Right parent. Blank.
Save and run it. Enter list
Group middle 3 tool window panel.
So-
Control. App control.
within
Control.
a
App
square
control.
bracket list. Within a square bracket 10, 20, 30, like that you need to enter.
8.
10.
1. 0. 10, comma. 2. 0. 20, comma. 3. 0. 30, comma. 4. 0. Enter list colon left bracket 10, comma. 20, comma. 30, comma. 40. 40.
Right, you are not closed, right?
Process finished. Exit code 1. Process finished.
Unsupported operand type.
Yes, yes.
You rerun this once.
For loop demo 3 tool window panel. Rerun it. Control tab control.
Within square bracket, just 10, 20 only you need to give, Ashu.
1.
Very
0.
simple. 10, 20.
0.
Close the square bracket.
20, right bracket.
Yes, enter.
Enter list colon left bracket 10, comma. 20,
Now
right bracket.
observe that we are getting type error, unsupported operand type. Why? Because
Yes,
what input function we are getting? String type, right?
string type, sir.
Okay, now can you check for the type of list is what? str type, right?
str type, sir.
So that we need to convert into like a list, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
we need to use
Bracket.
evaluate function is there. One more that we need to typecast. So go to list is equal to input of enter list, that we need to before that you need to typecast to evaluation function. Evaluate of input of enter list, like that.
Okay, for list evaluate function is there, sir.
For loop demo.
We need to typecast to like evaluate that list. Use the function eval.
Space L space R E T N left parent quote enter left parent quote left parent T U P N I space equal
There only is equal to eval evaluate of.
this is left V
Yes.
EVA.
L.
L.
Parenthesis, left parenthesis.
that Python project dash charm for
Right parenthesis, delete.
I space right parent space right parent I
Next, end of that end of the input statement, you need to close the right parenthesis.
list colon quote right parent list colon quote line T S U M space
No,
space 0
above only, above line only, above line only.
equals sum list colon quote right
Yes,
parent
there are no right
quote
right side only, Ashok. Next, next.
line feed.
Yes, there you need to close the right parenthesis. Yes, save and run it now.
For loop demo 3 tool window panel, rerun it. Control tab control. Control tab
Now
control.
enter within a square bracket 10, 20.
Left bracket 1 0 10 comma 2 0 20 right bracket. Enter list colon left bracket.
Yes.
Process finished. Exit
Now
code
the
blank.
sum is 30, right?
Yes.
So
sir.
here one more new thing we are learning here is we are converting that to like some expression evaluation. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. How we use for integer the same way here we are using.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
For float is there, integer int is there. Like that,
Yes.
it is really evaluate, right, sir?
Yes. This is about for loop. We will discuss while loop in the tomorrow session. And meanwhile, kindly start for that exercise available in that MOOC course.
Okay,
That
sir.
you need to start the conditional exercise also, you need to complete that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
but end of this today is Friday, right? Yes. By this weekend, we need to complete the part 1 of the our course. All
sir.
exercise should be practice, should be complete. That is the target of this week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.